Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda. This channel is all about making makeup easy. And so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a bronzy eyeshadow look in 5 minutes so that you can use it for a date night, everyday look, whatever. But it's going to take 5 minutes. And here's all you need: eyeshadow palette, two brushes, and an eyeshadow primer. So let's start. So I'm going to take my eyeshadow primer and apply a little bit on my eyelid and just blend that out. Then with my finger, sorry. Eye primer is going to make your eyeshadow last long and come out very pigmented. So make sure to blend that out. So now that I've blended it, I'm going to go into my Morphe eyeshadow. This is the one in 35R. I will use this color. So take my fluffy brush and start to blend out my eyeshadow, like the crease, this place where your eyeball stops. I'm going to start blending this out with this brown shade and blend it out in circular motion so that it's easy. Like apply your eyeshadow in circular motion so it's easy. Also, I know I mentioned one palette, but I like to use an orange color as transition. So I'm using this um Juvia's Place palette. I'm just going to take the orange. So if you have an eyeshadow with orange shade, you can just use that as a transition shade. And this is going to go right on top of that brown that I've applied. And just blend it out in circular motions. I'm taking a clean brush, still a small fluffy brush, but a clean one, to just kind of diffuse that eyeshadow. Intensify, diffuse, intensify, diffuse. That's what I'm doing. So apply more of that orange, go back into that brown, the first one, and then diffuse it. And once we have our transition color, then I'm going to apply the star of the show, which is the bronzy eyeshadow. For the bronzy eyeshadow, I'm going to use this flat brush. I'm going to go into this shade. So I'll dip it in and then start to place that on my eyes. Here's a tip for you. If you're using shimmery eyeshadow and you want it to apply smoother on your eye, take your setting spray and spray it on the brush that you're using to apply to make it wet or damp, and then it will pick up products better. So I'm going to dip that into the eyeshadow and then start to apply. And you see how much product I'm picking up now. So I'm applying my eyeshadow to this point, and there's a reason. When I look at you, when I look straight, this is the point where my eye starts to dip. This is like the end. This is like where my eyeball, where I can feel it. So I try to make my eyeshadow stop here. I'm going to use that same brush that I used to apply my transition shade to go back into the transition shade and then start to blend it out so that you don't just have like one hash line looking at you. Into the first brown that we used, and I'm just going to put that at the end and just kind of blend it into the shimmery eyeshadow. Go back with this brush and just intensify my eyeshadow a little bit more, and then we are done. Can you see what we have? To line my eyes, I'll be using this Zaron gel liner in Jazz. It's a Nigerian brand, and the flat brush. So this is the final look. This is the eyeshadow, the 5 minutes eyeshadow that I did. And if you like this video, like and subscribe so that you see more of my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.